How you doing today? I'm gonna show you the secret milkshake recipe for the best for real possible. You guys gotta try this, I'm telling you. What you do, well, first off, gotta get a couple of these. You see these right here? These are called Stoks. It says, warning, limit to a day. Because this is like equivalent to a whole cup of coffee. So you gotta come in here, pick out your flavor. Of course, I'm gonna go with cake batter, because cake batter is just fucking awesome. Open her up. Put her in there. I'm gonna click regular. Let it go up in there. Part of the process. So it just came out of the machine. Take this bad boy right there, set it right this. These things are hard to open while I'm holding the phone. I always use two, but for this video I'm gonna use one because, like I said, it's a little bit difficult. Get your straw. That's actually your stir stick. It's hard to do anything with your left hand, let alone while holding the camera. Oh shit! She in there scaring me and shit. Yeah. So you stir it up really well and to the point where you can never tell that it was ever added.
It's like a behind the scenes.
Are you serious right now?
I'm extra serious right now, bruh.
You know, you're the perfect distraction for me to get in trouble every time I come here because my lady literally said, come in here, get one thing and leave. You make me want to spend time with you.
Well, I want you to try my extravagant milkshake.
Really?
I'm telling you, no, I ain't letting you try this shit.
Try it.
See you guys next time. Hit that like, hit that subscribe. It's Scrap with the best milkshake in the world. It's cake batter. I'm out.